Over and over, I see students lose points before they even really get to their essay. I see my students lose points in the first 7 lines. That's because they haven't properly formatted their page in MLA. It's pretty easy to set one of these up while watching my video and then save it as your very own MLA documented template. Because I make this video using Pages on Mac, but you can use on Word or on Google Docs, and then you'll just need to make sure that you have saved it as a PDF if you're going to turn it in on Canvas. So here are my instructions on how to set up your page for your essay using MLA formatting. So first I open a new document and start with putting the page number at the top of the page. If you only put the number 1, then it will only have 1 on the top of every page, but you have to insert it like a page number. And then your last name in front of it. Make sure that the page number in the header is Times New Roman and 12 point, just like everything else in your MLA document. Start with your name and then your instructor's name in a professional format, the name of the class you're taking, and then the date. The date is written with the day, then the month, then the year. Then you'll center the title and start with your indented paragraph. Be sure to indent the paragraph with 1 tab instead of hitting the space bar 5 or 10 times.